Hello friends, Dr. Shubhagato here, and today I brought a very interesting video. If you remember, the 28th of June I published one video on emotional intelligence, and there I described various activities of a senior citizen lady whose age is about 71 years, and how she is managing her life during this lockdown period when most of us are getting restless. So this video, I will play the song that is sung by her. If you also remember that I mentioned that she is a singer. She is a singer of Rabindra Sangeet. The songs, those were written by great Rabindranath Tagore. And she also listens to Rabindra Sangeet. So now somehow I managed one song, a full song, Rabindra Sangeet, and I will bring that to you. Please listen carefully.
তোমারে করিয়াছি জীবনের ধ্রুব তারা এ সমুদ্রে আরো কভু হব না কো পথহারা তোমারে করিয়াছি জীবনের ধ্রুব তারা যেথা আমি যাই না কো তুমি প্রকাশিত থাকো আকুল নয়ন জলে ঢালো গো কিরণ ধারা তোমারে করিয়াছি জীবনের ধ্রুব তারা তব মুখ সদা মনে জাগিতেছে সঙ্গোপনে তিলেকো অন্তর হলে নহেরি কুল কিনারা কখনো বিপথে যদি ভ্রমিতে চাহে হৃদি অমনীয় মুখ হেরি সরমেশে হয় সারা তোমারে করিয়াছি জীবনের ধ্রুব তারা তোমারে করিয়াছি জীবনের ধ্রুব তারা এ সমুদ্রে আরো কভু হব না কো পথহারা তোমারে করিয়াছি জীবনের ধ্রুব তারা.
I hope you like the song. I listened to this song multiple times and tried to understand the philosophy. And what I understood is that it is the offerings, it is the dedication that the disciple is dedicated something, offering something to his or her guru, mentor. And there is a history. After searching, I found there is a history that Swami Vivekananda, who was the disciple of Ramakrishna Paramahansa, he dedicated this song in the year 1885, 16th of July, on the eve of Ratha Yatra at Bagbazar, Kolkata, to Ramakrishna Paramahansa. তোমারেই করিয়াছি জীবনেরও ধ্রুব তারা. That means I have accepted, I have conceived you, my guru, my mentor, that in my life you are the star, you are the role model, and I must follow you without any question. So that is the basic philosophy of this particular song. What a time in India! Rabindranath Tagore was only 24 and Vivekananda was 22 and Ramakrishna was in his 50s. So in the sky of India, there are galaxy of stars. It gives goosebump, isn't it? So how I have equated this particular song, the philosophy, with this 71-year-old lady. I equated with 4 attributes. The first attribute is spirituality. She is offering herself, her life, to the Brahma, the creator of the world. Number 2, music therapy. Music therapy doesn't mean it's only by the instruments. Vocal cord is the most balanced and a dedicated instrument, a natural instrument. So she has used this natural instrument to rejuvenate, to pull out the people who are feeling restless or depressed during this lockdown period. And what she is doing, she is sharing her songs every day, early morning, to the community. And people, after hearing, give the feedback, message her back that they feel really good after hearing those songs. Because people only hear that negative things, that how many corona cases are there in India, how it is increasing, how many people are dying, what are the containment zone, and what are the lockdown period extended, and those kind of stuff. So among these negative things, they find these songs or such songs are very, very positive, which I find as a doctor is a very, very encouraging and good sign to the society, that as a society we are still alive, we are not yet dead. Okay. Number 3, lung compliance. Because when you sing, you have to take deep breath to create the noise and take out the noise through your vocal cord as breathe out. So it increases the lung compliance. So lung compliance is very important now because corona is a lung eater. Number 4, high EQ, emotional quotient of this lady is very, very high because she has touched all those 5 steps of emotional quotient, starting from motivation to reflection. So philosophies are not there in life anymore. We have only the propensity to gobble, to gulp, only junk. We are addicted to junk information. And we expect our brain will grow. We will be the learner, lifelong learner. Is it possible? The answer is no, it is not possible. It will never happen. If we only go by junks here, only giving junks here, it will not grow. It will be damaged. Now coming back to this song and this lady's life, I feel this is the nicest example, the most useful, real example of emotional quotient. Okay? So up to this for now, and take care. Bye.